Jeffrey was up all night rehearsing his presentation. With only a small travel bag in hand, he grabbed a multi-port adapter so, no matter the IT setup of the client's boardroom, Jeffrey could not only confidently get the job done, but impress. And impress he did. Nina walked away eager to start her next big project. Nina was a PC user, the only one on the graphic design team. But the docking station didn't care. It was compatible with all. With so many ideas swirling around, Nina quickly got to work on her multi-monitor workstation. A smile spread across her face as she worked, turning her inspiration into productivity. She was totally nailing it. As with any major IT deployment, Peter had his work cut out for him. He had many desk setups to complete with very little time. He breathed a sigh of relief. Docking stations with no drivers to install and no cables to find meant no deployment headaches to stand in his way. Every day, in many languages around the globe, StarTech.com makes it easy for IT and business professionals like Jeffrey, Nina, and Peter to connect their critical productivity tools.
Meet SIIG's Thunderbolt 3 DisplayPort 1.4 docking station with dual M.2 NV Me SSD at 87 watts power delivery. Part number JU-DK0K11-S1. This product is a 12-in-1 docking station that takes a Thunderbolt 3 and adds one DisplayPort 1.4 and multiple media ports to your workstation. On the front of the box, we have a power LED, a stereo jack, a microphone jack, an SD card reader, a USB 3.1 port, and a Type-C USB 3.1 Gen 2 port. On the back, we have a Thunderbolt 3 host with 87 watts for charging, a Thunderbolt 3 connector port, two USB 3.1 ports, one with 5 gigabytes per second and another with 10 gigabytes per second of charging, one DisplayPort 1.4 output, a power jack, and an Ethernet port. If you want to have one display, connect either the DisplayPort or Thunderbolt 3 connector. However, if you want two displays for your setup, connect both the DisplayPort and Thunderbolt connector ports. Here we're showing how plugging in both will look like. Plugging in both the DisplayPort and Thunderbolt connector will give you 4K at 60 Hz resolution displays. You can connect different peripherals such as your flash drive or charging cables to this docking station all at once. You can also connect an Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port to get a more reliable internet connection. The main feature of having two M.2 SSDs is adding external storage to a computer. The storage is very similar to adding like a flash drive, but only it's faster since it's an SSD. Up to 2 SSDs can be installed. Each SSD has separate drive associated. Please visit our website for full specs and product information. This docking station is also compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems. This docking station gives you a max of 150 watts of power supply.
With all the new mobile devices out there, it's become even easier to take your work with you. While devices like laptops, ultrabooks, and tablets are convenient, some lack a full range of ports to connect to all your peripherals. At the office or at home, you don't want to be restricted to a small screen. You want to be able to spread your content out to view your work across multiple screens. DisplayLink technology enables a single USB port on your laptop or Windows 8 Pro tablet to connect to all of your desktop components, monitors, network, audio, and other USB peripherals. Connect a single USB cable from your device to a DisplayLink-enabled dock to easily stay connected to your entire office. Even tablets and mobile devices can spread out content over multiple displays, giving them the connectivity power of a desktop system. Connect a Windows 8 Pro tablet, and the tablet screen can be displayed to provide a large screen experience. Connect more monitors to span content and applications easily. When you're ready to hit the road again, unplug the USB cable. All of your applications move back to the mobile screen, and you're back on the move.